Hi there, I'm Cy. Today I'm reviewing this EcoGard Land Rover Range Rover Evoque air filter, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. For our last few drives, our Range Rover Evoque has been having intermittent power loss on hills, and we're thinking that the air filter is going to be the fix because we were told that it needed to have the air filter replaced during our last oil change. So we'll see if this filter change solves our problem. This is compatible with the 2012 to 2017 Range Rover Evoque models. And it is also compatible with some of the Land Rover Discovery Sport models. This filter is very highly rated. People say it's as good as the OEM part, and replacing it yourself could potentially save you a good amount of money. You can see some of the different filter brands that this filter replaces. Here is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and install it. This Phillips screwdriver should be enough to do the job. So the air filter sits right underneath here. You can see there are 6 screws, and you don't have to pull them all the way out, but you can see 1 right there, 2, and then you'll find the rest around the rest of this box. And like I said, you don't have to remove them completely. I'll show you about how much you need to screw them off. Just need a Phillips screwdriver. Going for the third one here. Number 4. This just shows you don't need any great tools. I'm using the regular Phillips head screwdriver. If you have a special kind with a thicker head, it might help you a little bit, but not necessary. Screw number 5 and screw number 6. I'll give you a little close up here so you can see just about how much I loosened the screws. And we are ready to pop it off. Just go nice and easy here. Give you another close-up here so you can see there is your filter, and you can pull it up enough to get the filter out, and we'll make sure it's clean enough inside once we remove the filter. And comes out just like that. And I'll show you down in there. There's the old filter. Go ahead and set that aside, and you can see down in there it's not too dirty. Those drips that you see, that's not dust. I am gonna go ahead and just take a damp cloth and wipe it down just a little bit. You don't have to do that necessarily if it's as clean as this, but that's what I'm gonna do. There's a look for comparison of the difference in the cleanliness of the filter. Go ahead and pop it in there. And you can see it sits in really easy, but I'm just gonna flush it down so it's in there perfectly level. And our air filter is replaced. And we're ready to tighten everything down. And you don't need to tighten down too tightly, so snug is good enough. And we've got it in there nice and snug. Car starts up fine. Looks like we're good to go. Wrapping up this review, I am very happy with this EcoGard air filter. And although we did need to have our air filter replaced, unfortunately, that wasn't the reason that our car was bogging down on hills. So we're still troubleshooting that, but I feel good about recommending this EcoGard filter to you. Hopefully this video has made it very easy for you to replace your own air filter. And I hope you liked my review of this EcoGard air filter. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. She did was spark a legend in the